Hey guys, good to see you again. So today we're going to play another listening game. This time we're going to listen to the sounds at the beginning of words and see if we can think about how they might sound the same or different. So I've got some magnets here with pictures on them. Let's first look at the pictures. Those are keys. Can you say that? Keys. This is a kangaroo. Can you say kangaroo? And this is a kite. Say kite. All right, as we think about those words, keys, kangaroo, and kite, you might notice that they all sound the same at the beginning. Let's listen. K, keys, k, kangaroo, k, kite. Do you guys hear the k sound? Keys, kangaroo, and kite all have a k at the beginning. Let's try some other ones. That is a picture of a horse. Here we have a picture of a hat. Say hat. And here we have a picture of, that's right, heart. Say heart. Now let's think about the sounds we hear at the beginning. Listen as I say them. Horse, hat, heart. Do you see that at the beginning all of those sound the same? Horse, hat, heart. We hear that at the beginning of each of those words. Let's try some other words. This is a picture of a ring. Can you say that? Ring. Very good. Look, that's a picture of a rainbow. Say rainbow. And then here's a picture of a robot. Say robot. Ring, rainbow, robot. Ring, rainbow, robot. Now say those all together. Ring, rainbow, robot. Do you hear the R at the beginning of each of those words? Excellent job listening. All right, we'll leave those pictures up there. And let's do one more set. This is a picture of a vase. Say vase. Vases hold flowers and things. This is a picture of a vest. Say vest. And here we have a picture of a volcano. Say volcano. Very good. All right, now let's listen to the beginning of each of those words as we say them. Vase, vest, volcano. Let's try it again. Vase, vest, volcano. Do you hear the same sound at the beginning? Vest. Oops. Vase, vest, volcano. I do. I hear a V at the beginning of each of those words. They have the beginning sound that is the same. So guys, when you're listening to words, I want you to be practicing thinking about that first sound you hear and see if you can find some that might sound the same at the beginning. Okay? Keep working hard and I'll see you next time.